Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
It's a familiar scene, huh?
We saw a lot of this last season. So I'm gonna call it last season.
Is this season 2?
Season 2.
Oh, yeah. What's crazy is we're thawing an embryo out right now, and that embryo was frozen
Exactly 2 years ago almost.
2 years ago on the 30th, and we are going to an implantation on the 2nd. Ah! How are you feeling?
I am feeling like throwing up, a little nervous.
It became very real, didn't it?
It just became very real. Looking at the little girl. Back at it again, fam. So, I don't want to put it out there, but I do. Every time we've ended up in the hospital the last 2 times, it's been after a night that Mom watches Ocean. Have you noticed that? Mom's watching Ocean tonight. What if I go into labor?
Why are you putting this into the universe? I thought we were going to talk about something else. You're not going into labor tonight. You're going to hold that baby in. We're supposed to have another week and change.
I'm just saying, Steve,
that we set a date.
If my sixth sense, if I really do have a sixth sense, we could be having went into labor. No, I'm just kidding. We could be having a little girl. Oh, look at this.
That's no joke. Ocean. Can you give this to Mama? Can you give this to Mama?
He said, I'll walk you and show you where Mama is, but I'm holding both my cars. ¿Qué color es este carro?
Almost time.
Rain and Harley, which name do you like better? Harley? Okay. Okay, one more. Between the name Romy and Harley, which name do you like better? Harley, okay. Between the name Isabella and Harley, which name do you like better? Okay, so you like Harley. Okay.
It is Sunday. It's like 2 p.m. We're going in, and 4 a.m. 4 a.m. we're going in. We're gonna get Desi induced, and we're gonna have another little baby. This might be my last cuddle with him before little baby girl arrives. So, taking it all in.
Say hi, sister. Tonight, we're gonna go get your little sister out of Mommy's belly, Ocean. Yeah. Are you ready to meet her? Yeah. Mommy's not gonna have a big belly anymore.
Mommy's belly's gonna go down, and we're gonna have little sister outside with us.
Yeah.
And
Are you excited?
Are you excited to meet her?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have a kiss? I love you. Will you give your daddy a hug and a kiss?
Love you. Can I kiss?
Oh, I love
Dale un besito, mami. Dale un besito. Ay, qué hermoso beso.
This is the final belly pick before going to the hospital. This is the side she sits on. Whoa. So nervous. It's weird because you think giving birth for the second time I'd feel like, oh, this is okay. I know what's going on, but no. It's almost like I can't even think about what's gonna happen. I just have to think positive and just like it's any other day. Because I let myself freak out if not. I can't even believe this.
This is definitely like bittersweet because
I really don't see myself having more kids. I've never said that online before, but I think I'm good with 2. I don't want to be outnumbered. And honestly, the pregnancy this time was really tough. At least for now, that I think I will, you know, carry a baby and have this belly. And it's like a little emotional. I was so emotional leaving Ocean at Nana's house. I am excited to see her. That's all I can think about is how excited I am to see her. Okay, how do you feel? The night before you're about to be a girl dad.
Girl dad. I don't think being a girl dad's really gonna hit me until she gets a little bit older. I'm excited. It's crazy because I love Ocean so much and I love you and I love the dynamic that we have together right now, but it's like I'm excited that that's going to change, but then at the same time it makes me like a little sad because it's like I was just playing with Ocean and I was like, dang, it's never gonna be like just the 3 of us, it's gonna be the 4 of us, which is an amazing thing, but at the same time it's just like you got so used to something for 2 years and then it's going
Not even 2 years yet.
true, and it's
We're gonna have
change
2
so
under
quickly.
2 for a little bit here.
We're gonna be okay, but I just keep going back to it. It's like we've had so much fun with Ocean, like raising him, that it's just adding one more to the family and it's just gonna make it that much better. This is a little different leaving the house this time compared to last time.
Right, last time I was like about to die, I felt like. It's currently 4 a.m. We're all strapped in, ready to go. We're on our way to the hospital. I'm nervous. I'm already starving. You know you can't eat until after you give birth, so this is a problem for me.
Alright, just checked in to our suite. Lucky room number 7.
This is my lucky number.
It is
518.
518. What were you didn't think I could figure that one out?
I should want, you know, I don't know. I was just trying to have your back.
Thank you. 518.
You had a little buffering moment.
So it's like 9 a.m. Desi's asleep on TikTok. But everything's good. Piptocin's going. We just gotta wait for labor to kick in and get the show started. Doctor said maybe around like 3, 4 o'clock.
Woo! Steven,
What's up?
we're about to have a baby.
We're gonna have a baby.
We're gonna have a baby.
I think the drugs just hit.
Oh shit. Oh,
Oh, you're about to have a
contraction.
contraction. Uh-oh. Peeking out right here. It's a small one. This is an easy one. You got this. I mean, it's not easy. I don't know what this is like. I'm not gonna. I take it back.
Backtracking.
I backtrack. Let's go.
Retract.
I'm leaving. You got this. You're strong.
I just want to sneak food. I'm so hungry.
Pretzel?
I just want a chocolate covered pretzel. I did my lashes last night myself. I just did the false mascara. So I felt a little something, a little glam. Don't tell anyone. Get it. This is cute. New dance move you picked up.
It's the Carlton. Oh, here we go.
Oh no.
You ready?
No, the pretzel in my mouth.
Oh, the pretzel. All right. Well, we can talk through this one.
No.
How's your day? No?
I gotta breathe. This one wasn't that bad.
Oh, so you can say that, but I can't?
Yeah, because obviously, yeah.
Okay.
That's exactly right, sir.
Just in case you miss Ocean.
Good morning.
I love you.
What are you saying, baby? Are you eating arroz?
Say bye-bye.
Okay, wait, no, don't say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, you just went through all of that. You got your epidural. How you feeling?
I feel magical. I was going through it. The epidural was just a breeze.
You did really good.
When you're going through so much pain, it's like nothing feels worse than the contractions, honestly.
So some rough
like now I can just take a nap and get ready to push. What's her name? Someone's going to name her.
Harley.
You think when you see her, you'll be like, yeah.
That's a Harley.
She's a Harley.
She's a Harley. Look at those eyebrows.
Snatched?
Snatched and your lashes?
That's all that matters. If at any point you see part of my eyebrow rubbed off, you need to tell me, okay?
You got it. I got the stencil, so if it comes
That's
off...
That's why I brought the stencil. You can just...
I'll pop it on.
You can even do it yourself. It's a stencil.
So I'd say the epidural worked. I'm happy because those contractions are gnarly. She's a trooper. Like a fucking superwoman. You look a lot happier.
I'm so happy. I feel like now I can get excited because I'm not in so much pain. My water broke. I thought I peed my pants. I was asleep and then all of a sudden I felt this gush and I was like, oh, did I just pee the bed? And you said, no, you're fine. Liar. She said there's a lot of liquid here. And she came and she's like, wait, your water broke? I can't wait to meet her. Like, are you so excited to see her?
I'm so excited. We're getting closer. We should almost have a check in a little bit. Desi's hanging in there.
Barely. So the epidural wore off and shit.
And it was a rough 45 minutes right now. Getting through contractions. You got this. You're strong.
It's just like a combination of being in pain and all day and not eating and like, oh my god, you're about to have a baby. I feel so emotional. I'm shaking.
But you look good. Your eyebrows are still good.
They still on.
You got two of them. No need for the stencil yet.
How you feeling, baby?
I'm tired.
Oh my gosh. You gotta push it, Mama. You did it before. You can do it now.
Where's Ocean?
Ocean, baby.
Alright, we gotta push.
Come on, push.
Say push, Ocean.
Say push, Ocean. You wanna count?
Uno,
Dos.
cinco, seis, cuatro, ocho, nueve, 10. Yeah, look down.
Oh my god!
Congratulations!
Oh my gosh, baby. Goodness.
You're shaking so much, baby.
It's rocking her.
Huh? She's beautiful. You're beautiful, baby. She's here. And Desi's talking about what she's gonna eat. Pancakes are a very solid choice. So we're gonna source those out. I'm very happy. I'm excited. We're a family of 4.
So tired.
You did it.
I'm so happy though. Oh my goodness! Can I have a hug?
Yeah.
Come here, I can pick you up now. I missed you. Did you miss us?
Yeah.
I missed you so much. Do you miss Daddy?
Yeah.
Parece gemelito, ¿verdad?
I love you.
La bebé.
You are a big boy, huh?
No, se la
Did you get bigger?
Baby sister.
You want to see your baby sister?
Yeah.
She's not in here anymore. Do you want to go meet her?
Yeah.
Let's go meet her. Come on.
Where is your baby?
Over here.
Come on, hold my hand.
Hold
I'll
Mama's
show
hand.
you. Come here. Come here. You see something? Who is that?
Yo.
Who is that?
Bebé. ¿Es tu bebé? ¿Es tu
That's
bebé?
your baby sister.
Tuya.
For you. Yeah, she wanted to get you a gift. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're excited, right? Okay. Pull this paper right here. Pull it. Now pull this one. Hey, what is this? What's that? Ice cream truck.
Oh shit.
this?
You're a big brother.
This
It's an ice cream truck.
is ice cream truck.
Yo.
And who got that for you?
Mama.
No.
Baby sister.
Harley.
Harley. Your sister got it for you. It's a present. And it's a thank you for being her big brother, that you're going to take care of her and show her the ropes, huh?